wish for aha Ghana TV GH, message or like, a comment, subscribe, then on notification so that anytime I post a video, bit say where we some be. Ghana party your time. The whole world on. Me sure say Yakupon when if there's any time I thought that God feels bored, Ghana now they entertaining you home. Because the kind of drama I free Ghana ha SCDBiano wonderful, amazing. That me madam guy back or making a submission and media no so. And the guy was saying say apparently and that video me share and I'm sure say by the time I start editing a video I might have laid hand on it and added it so that you can see.
This is not politics, but it's not partisan politics. It is about the interest of the nation. Let all prophets prophesy or put their prophecy aside. Now, I say from the constitution on penny bed interna. And let the chaos you may doubt it.
You see, Papa, Prophet Owusu Bempah, I announcement say, next Sunday I buy. Obabe declare the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Hey. You see, me, and you say, me GDU, about my religious aspect, my religious side, I believe in the prophetic. And I will even say, I believe in the fact, prophecies come to pass. There are people who can see things, who God reveals things about what is to come. No problem about that. But I feel, in our part of the world, Ghana, people are taking undue advantage of this. Adiano obi your man penny. I can 2 years, 6 months. Okay. And then already you are eager to declare a replacement. Don't get me wrong. Ebia okobodino na kwako favor MPP. No problem. It's not about who it favors and who it doesn't favor. And yeah, but one never favor, one never favor there be. Much more serious than who is going to be confirmed or what have you. What we must acknowledge is this and Yakupon say we never win. Say ankasa die no Yakupon per se yen jano na on appointed leaders maya. Anka Yakupon be catch and we'll stop using money to hold elections because elections sky is spending and easy. Sky is spending one election and yes kakitwa. And some of us will have wished that money can be used maybe to build hospitals and build schools. But a democracy, this is what we sign up for. And so every 4 years, people must add their views, must choose the kind of leaders they want. Now, if you not allow us to go by our common sense, to go by what the people are capable of doing, na koda ne se Yakupon esi. She say, wow, yeah, Christo na Yakupon se ebia. Obeka chem se Yakupon se ebia. Candidate A ne be wini. Se me koto abati na je se majority Yakupon. That is what you are blackmailing us. Blackmail. And that's what I maintain say blackmail. Because any blackmail, and anything. On child and on make your choice la. Oh, is this too much to ask? Let people vote based on what they are hearing. Is that too much to ask? Based on their experience, is that too much to ask? Sana moye sa ene mushe ne koso man we mu. Mushe. One abeka kire se Yakupon say obi sano moja obi nsa. One abeka kire you. Wasan kosa kodanya ba ene hwede ekoso. Hwede ekoso ene. Omani nyina moye pasa. Nothing is working. Go for Niska network. Who? Nothing. Allow people to decide. Oh, let's go and listen to this brilliant submission that my friend made. I'll see the next one. Cheers. Ebusian for still Pamucho Mumboy na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations, no. Number no screen so with me boy Kitwa Bianswa, right? Kindly help us as we do it. And we'll be proud. We'll all be proud of how far we have come as a family. Eda Mosina Mian Debia Namishiramo.
Bebre ani efrefra na bebre aso SC esan se baby amokochechere President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no okonsani kronkron Muhammad asumdwe enka ne din ene ne nyankopon a osom no wasane no baby amotutu fom ekantam ede Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene ne yire Samira Bawumia pictures ene ne posters ekohye fom ekanti eye nkonya egu so no enu 2029 7th January na okonhyeni kunkum Muhammad en otwede bonyankopon ene nananom nsamanfo asieyi a mode enoma ekohye ye no na Bawumia Alhaji ne maame ne papa ne nananom asaman apagya no afiri baabia mukosie ne posters ene ne pictures no enti we die badu kobi die no eye case study edema asofo no akomfo no ba akose kwasiada ebey ma Ghana sofu bia nhyenkom na ono ena eba behyenkom akire de sese obedi Ghana so ba ubenya hwan
na Owusu Bempah
akwa ubenya hwan osikwasiada ebey eye 24th May masofu bia nhyenkom ewo Ghana na nyame sisa kwasiada ono nko na enkasa na onkyere nipa esese 2028 and 2020
20 it's from JJ Abredo. Wifey, how many companies the JJ turn were Ghana? About 300, right? About over 300 oh. Into Sisiano, JJ, all Tonton, Ekaka no Lukuani, Elekaka no Baba for Wani, then Coffrey Yuani, Ibiana, Uncle you. Ibiana Jimmy Fritina Dolly. Ibia Noli. Obi the new phone. And on nam na there. Abana this a day, no single no make S there, umbrella. And I want you for there. Or ye yen tax and what you see, I don't know, into every or ye yen and on your bonibia of the phone do chain. Into our friend on Maiden, agenda 111 or a gun of Wissika. A yen yield to your cow, and no sewer into off on the phone, no Udicha, about San Waba.
Kwabraminta kando no nam hospitals no yi kire say adwuma o yagya no ho akufu adon to aso
I can't donate me son no be kada yerefo in the original man one original account or position all candidate woba in the next food day ma a Mahama Gina Bola Carlim okay Gina ho all your voice there I'm gonna come in and give a automatic posting. We know then original Bola come we in the automatic posting what done abede what's over for why abede won't show one corner abwe the boy you see my next for no e after over phone won't you one volunteers or say voluntarily or say volunteers. Sisi unless now work school by volunteers. Sisi ade automatic posting no call. E yaba some no risi wagani. Hwɛ nsɛm no risi wagani no ehu. Oye hu ankasa. Obia lebre wagana. What's the city ejina ho? Na NDC na adwene nya adwuma gina ho de bia no da no ba kasa mi wa na obi antum ntada ma mesi voter city kan ende na meti video bia ipako na oleka akufo ado no time bro no nyi beans no bo owosora ende what be fom kwakwa aso nyimpa onye ediba no ontum nto na me gina me ka chande enti yakoya na de ye bai bala menti bi da de time enyama no bo ye de no nkofo tum yis ka do to ediba ndi na time anyama no gwa akofom no nkofo nyi sikam for aba something which is there sunyin it is something which is there yero kwanden na ye gina ho na acheche de bia wonyim de won gu man won hu be bia odefe bia na kaka na wa acheche na ronko be bia acheche onko be bia na munua ne mo de yenso ye yenye de yetum ye gbe hina no ne ye ka kire NDC fu de yenso ye gbe register. And kadam yako police go CID na ya catch on them. We have a register. We have all your names in because these people they are not going to stop. But I'm momo bomb paying them all being from in yo. Because Maurice, you know, it's like we are going back to the Rollins days. So I mean, when you who can but when you who kakra. Na mo oye me ye wo twam nsumu kran point there. Menana no stores are what chief in himself. What the ma wo ho me nyini me ban me se wifi enyim de no mukor na wo da nika station what you bro mama me de bro this meeting from kokwadwo wo ho na de bia mu du ho na me wi aho something that's supposed to belong to me oh yeah me man na dia nche bia nkadam stock kasa me de no afi na wadwo bro wom ko hini area be do hu bi so je fa wo bam ne nefi the adadam nkofo le ye Mahama le ye no and the one for so je fu ngumo but more ye no osen that time no na me mpa egba mo bwan de mo obi you ayen konko hun because mo oye no onye na ni nyina echi no mo oye me do na oye me do ni nyina na America na me nkado oye me do watch mu nua bi mo because NDC remember she insult a wodi insult ye mpanyimfo it's like wo me ye no bonwe de ye nom ye ya nom but ye ye mo paracetamol ye start you it is just paracetamol nkofu intum nom enti se won wa me mbonwe ne ya no ye mo paracetamol na wontum nom no enti se ye ba power adna wo ye no ye bo ho ne ye mo mbonwe obotum anom a na no wongi na yei na dem afu tim de me NDC fo me de me NDC fo gu TikTok me de me NDC fo gu X me de me NDC fo gu social media en watch obi an wo ye wondo wo bo se me kabur that's say ye say wo fi power na power so de wo lokọ no matter what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is coming. The light is there. You can see it. The Yereba. The Yereba no. Onya de yeba ba ba ye ho. There's a time you draw. To make sure that oba from where yo mu. E ka obi so me yan Canada no ye Ghana. Na so won what na do no wo hu do ye Ghana. Enyama nyanse nyima Akufo-Addo went through all this your nonsense and all this bullshit. This man never said a word. Oje the democracy into obi an kana adwen. Something or coin for it into your pedal sustain, one sustain, and no feel power under obis there on tomb. Obis on tomb, man, yea, I'm not standing campo, insult or insulty, and also on tomb. Until big cade is a dunsa bumporo kitchen. A boy one dunsa. No, you pay whom or coda. Be pian codo Ghana. The end the maybe kind there. Yen debiano, yershawan. Now, worry, you know, and now I answer a better reply damn one. And wife be man reason MPP for walk radio do not walk kakasa especially when your position then times not na we from Pelamobu beyond the upon a chow. So no, because I won't cook MPP beyond one some. One more beyond for the way or communicate to his people. Yenya better say, more one conquer dimi no bia. And I'll be called Nana. Oh, now me pay need the way or communicate now. So or ya no, don't even say it. Send him there. Or you understand. Don't even sit on radio and open your mouth. Now say yam painful bin walk or your radio da. Or ya nyama and some of yam pet. We don't want that. Then go down the bay. You let them cough no ben one. I may would have go down in I should die. You ben your man and cry a catch and dead. This I am cashy. No one did the next time. You wonder why the man no. We will respond to them. We will respond to them. We don't care. They be annoyed. We can end the day. But what you paying for? If they are not willing to take the leader, they should let us alone. They should let us alone. No, because Kasama, then conquer Johnson. Oh,